Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you how to transfer the files and folder between Mac and the Windows PC. In Windows 10 and 11 steps will be same, and in the Mac all the devices Mac Air or Pro. So let's start. So first of all guys, we need to set up the file and network printing share on our system in the Windows as well as in the Mac. So let's move on to the first of all Windows. So in order to share the file and folder between your Mac and Windows, we need to enable the options. So you need to click on this option, right click over there, and then click on open network and internet setting. Then you need to go to this option, change and this option, then go to change advanced sharing. Okay, and make sure. So once you open the change sharing options for with different networks profiles, you need to click on private network. Since you should be connected with the same network, first of all the turn on network discovery, it should be on, and turn on file and printing sharing, both should be on. And once you both should be on, just click on save options. Now let's move on to the Mac guys. The same setting we need to apply on the Mac. So once you go to the Mac guys, you need to click on this Apple logo, then click on setting, system setting. You can directly open from there as well. Now once you go to here, go to general tab, and once you go to general, click on sharing option. You can also search here the sharing, but you need to click on this, and first of all enable this option. Once you enable this, you need to click on the side arrow key, just click on that, and all the options you should be able to see. Now we need to enable the option for user. Click on options. Then once you click on the options, you need to click on this option. Okay, this should be on automatically. Share file and folder using SMB. So select your username. Now put your password, current password of the Mac, and once you confirm the password, click on done option here. Now the particular user shared is done. We need to click on add option here, and inside the add guys, the folder and the file you want to share, you can share that, or you can create the new folder here inside the desktop. Okay, click on new folder, just name it Mac shared, and click on create, and simply open it. Now Mac shared is shared. Now Apple user read and write, then click on. You can allow full disk access for all users. I'm just selecting the users here, or you can leave it as blank. And once you click on done, now you can see the address of this, the IP address you need to enter on your Windows computer. So this setting is done. Now let me done this option. Make sure you get your IP address from the Mac, and once you get the IP address from the Mac, you need to click on this done. Now it's shared now. So once you have applied the same setting on the Mac, you need to click on File Explorer, simply open that, go to this PC, and inside the this PC guys, you need to right click over there and click on map a network drive. Now inside here you need to use this option. This is the // you need to enter first of all. Now the IP address of the Mac, it's 192.168.1.3, and /, the folder name which you have given. So I have given Mac shared like this, and click on finish. So once you click on finish, it may ask you to prompt the username. You need to enter the Apple username over there. Now you can see I have dropped some file and folders here. You can see Mac shared folder is successfully able to access that, and now you can copy the same file and folders over there. Okay, so this is how you can share the file and folder between Mac and Windows PC. So hope this video helps you guys. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.